Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this sun visor on a 2007 Toyota Camry. As you can see here, the sun visor is broken. It doesn't stay up anymore. See, when I put it, it's keep coming down like that. It's time to replace it, and it's easy. I ordered the part right here from Amazon. It's $23. So, and make sure I have a matching color right here. There's a tan color, and this is good. So let me show you how to replace this sun visor on the driver's side on a 2007 Toyota Camry. Just take a flathead screwdriver, pop this out. I had the little clip there. Just pop it out. All right. See, it's coming out. So there's a cover right here. The cover is the part that there's two clips to this, just to hold the visor together. So you pop the cover right here. That cover, you pop it loose. All right, you'll be able to pull it out. All right, see the two clips right there. And okay, now let's put the new part in. So the clips you clip it to this right here, to this hole right there, and then the cover, when you push the cover in, that lock that clip, the two clips right there. So put in the new one. All right, make sure the cover is open when you put it in, because when you push the clip inside here, you put the clip inside this hole right here, and the cover is, when you push it in, kind of lock that clips together so it won't come out. So they won't come out. So need to do, just line up that clips right there. See, there's two clips, line it up. Line it up to that hole right here and push it in. All right, just push it in, and then the cover, you push it down to lock it in. Right there, that's it. Let's replace. So as you can see, it's easy to install. 1, 2, 3, that's it. All you need to do is just need a flathead screwdriver to pop up the cover right here, and then you can pull out the two clips. And then to install it, just push those two clips back in and lock it. Push the cover into that two clips right there to lock the clips together. That's it. So I hope you learned something here. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.